Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download the best file manager application for Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So the best is subjective, but let's get started. So in my view, the best file manager app to navigate is the File Manager Plus application. I'm going to settings to open the Google Play Store because that's where we'll be downloading it. So head over to the Play Store by going to settings, going to apps, click on see all apps, and then navigate down to the bottom of the list where you find show system apps. Click on that and then head over to the alphabetical list. Scroll down until you find Google Play Store. Now click on Google Play Store and open it. So if you open the application, just head over to the search bar and look for the application of choice. You could just type in or use the voice control to look for File Manager Plus. And you have the app right there. So click on install and that begins to pend. After a few seconds, it begins to download and it gets the application downloaded to Google TV. So give it a second. You see download's already 100%. It's installing. Wait for installation to complete. When installation is done, you have this app available on Google TV. Just head over to your app drawer and access the application. So in my opinion, this is the best on Google TV. I'm in my app drawer now and I'm going to the right. Okay, and I find the File Manager Plus app. So clicking on it launches the application and right there, I could access the app. So just click on next and allow it to access all files so you can manage them and view them from here. So that's the app. It's fully functional. You could use this toggle to see more options and there you go. So if you found that insightful, smash the subscribe button, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.